Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox and test out the Aimenzunto Pocket Power Bank. This is a very small device that carries a very big punch. These people did send this to me to review. I did not pay for this one, but if it works the way it's advertised, I'm going to be using this quite a bit. Okay, now it is quite a bit heavy, surprisingly heavy. Now for those of you who do care, this is made in China, and in the box you have a little scratch card where you can get $20 for a first prize. Second prize is $30 off discounted price for a next purchase. And third prize is 20% off your next purchase. My guess is it's probably one of those two. We'll do that a little later off camera. There's also a little, we would like to say thank you for your business. Now this does have a lifetime warranty, which is awesome. You get a replacement or a refund at no cost if the return window is closed, and it has a little email here for support. This is really nice. There's not a whole lot of companies that do that anymore. Now inside, oh, on the bottom, there's actually more stuff. There's a little user manual, and the user manual is in English. Not a whole lot there, but it does show you how to charge it and how to use it and all that good stuff. And on the back, it has the product specifications. Now it does come with a USB-C to USB cable for charging. And dun dun dun, and here it is. This is the item itself. Now if you notice, on top here there's a little nipple that you can pull out, and it is attached so you can't lose it, and that actually goes into an Apple product. And on the side, this little handle, actually the handle comes apart, kind of push into it, and it is a USB-C connector. Nice. So this can charge USB-C or Apple products. So that is really cool how they designed that. There is a button on the back, and you push this button and it'll tell you how much of a charge it has left, which is at this point 69%. And that tells me that it was not sitting around a warehouse for a long time, which is really nice. So let's see if this thing will actually work. So I'm going to try it on multiple different products and see what it does. Now the first thing I'm going to try it out on is an Apple tablet. So we're going to not take the case off, see if it works with the case, because it does protrude out quite a bit. Plug that in there. Ooh, nice. And it is charging. Okay, as you can see, we are now down to 0%, and it is 91% charged. So it went from 50 up to 90%, so it gave me about a 40% charge on that thing, which, hey, I'm happy with that, especially for how small this thing is. So this does work with a Apple tablet, and you do not have to take the case off. So wonderful design, I like that. Now let's try to charge up my phone, which is an Android phone. Plug that in, and yes, it does work. So that is awesome. Is it gonna do anything for, my batteries, for my camera? Let's find out. Now here are batteries that I bought from First Power. I will be having an unboxing and video on this. So let's see if this has enough power to start charging these. And it does. Awesome. So that tells me a lot of the power in this little thing here. So I do like that. And finally, just to test on one of my cameras, which is what I use a lot in the field as well. Let's see if this thing can charge that. You see a little red light. There it is. As you can see there, only 3% battery left on the Osmo Action. Let's go ahead and plug this in. As you see, we're at 100%. Okay, it did charge up my Osmo Action to 100%, and it still has about 50% charge left. Now that is awesome. Definitely will help out in the field. Oh, and by the way you charge this power bank is on the side right here. You just plug in your USB-C and plug this into a brick or to your computer or whatever you have to charge things, and it'll charge it right up, no problem. Well, that's a little overview and unboxing and test of the Aimenzunto Pocket Power Bank. I hope this came in handy, and as always, have a great day.